Hello, good day viewers. In this tutorial today, we are going to learn how to solve a physics problem under motion under gravity. So let's read the question and solve it together with you. A ball released from a height of 20 meters. Calculate time it takes to fall. B. The velocity with which it hit the ground. So let's write data. So we have a ball that is released from a height of 20 meters. So definitely distance S is 20 meters. And remember, whenever an object falls from some certain height, initial velocity U equals to 0. And under motion, under gravity, acceleration equals to acceleration due to gravity, and acceleration due to gravity equals to 10 meter per second square. This is constant. I know you know that. So, and we are to find time. We are to find time. So let's write the formula. Based on what we have, the formula that suits this calculation is this. S equals to ut plus half gt squared. So this is the formula that suits our values. So let's substitute. S equals to 20 meter. So 20 equals to U is 0. 0 times t plus 1 over 2. G is 10 times 10. Then times t squared. So now 20 equals to 0 times t is 0. And then half times 5 times 10 is 5. 5, 5 then t squared. So let's divide both sides by the coefficient of t and get our answer. So divide both sides by the coefficient of t, which is 5, divided by 5, divided by 5. So 5 will cancel 5. We have now t square, which is equal to 20 divided by 5 is 4. Then we have root of, we have 20 divided by 5, we have 4. Now, in order to get t, we will take the square root of both sides, which is t square equals to square root of 4. So the square root will cancel this, and then we have t equals to square root of 4. And square root of 4 is 2. So now we have 2 seconds. Now we find time it will take a ball that is released from height of 20 meters to hit the ground. So finally, we are going to find the velocity. That is the final velocity of the ball. So let's use this formula. B square equals to U square plus 2AS. Let's use this formula. So now, B square equals to U. We know that U is 0. So 0 square plus 2 times, instead of writing this A, we must write G because the problem is under motion under gravity. So now 2 times G. G is 10 times S. S is distance, which is that 20 times 20. So now we have B square equals to 0 square is 0 and 0 is nothing. We have then 2 times 10 times 20, which is 400. And we want B, not B square. So let's take the square root of both sides. Square root of B square equals to square root of 400. So square root cancel square, we have B alone. And then square root of 400 400. Now B square root of 400. Then which is equal to square root of 400. Square root of this 400 is 20. So 20 meter per second is the velocity of the ball. So this is how to find the time and the velocity. So if you like our video, kindly subscribe, comment with your question, and share it with your friends so that they will learn also. So thank you for watching.